bugalo, no DJ.
But in this song, allow me to get closer to you. Know you better than before. Every day I'm grateful to my being.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're giving out a certificate in hairdressing. And for this one, I'm going to invite Pastor Aloysious Bujjingo to do us the honors for the hairdressing team. I can see they are very excited that Pastor Bujjingo is the one going to be accompanying. Now you mean the others who they commissioned, what are you saying? DJ. You know, Pastor Bujjingo is a dancer. You may start dancing. Okay, so I'm going to invite the head of department for this category.
Thank you very much. We go straight to the list. Nabakoza, congratulations, please come out. Next is the Lillian, followed by Nampija Mariam, congratulations. Natasha Mirembe, Amaga Letis, as Aquero Meron Lees is following. Namala Agnes, Nasuna Christine, those are going to be followed by Kitchen Beauty with DIT. Rhea Kotoza, to Linda, Daisy. Congratulations to you all people. Nasari Babs Abdullah.
I'll now invite you to the center for a group photo. In a special way, I'd like to Madame Jamali Muchibi, who's here. I'd like her to just stand and wave. She's one of the parents and who have sponsored so many of our students, and that's why you see her going back. Thank you very much. I'll ask you to remain there as they officially commission you.
By the power of the authority entrusted to me, I congratulate all those persons whose names have been read for the award of a certificate in hairdressing and also the award of a certificate in beauty therapy for God and my country. Congratulations.
All right, fashion team, we are ready for you for the next category. If the fashion team is ready, well, I don't know what they're saying this time. We request them to come. But if they're not ready, we're going to get ready to do, I believe, the last set of our certificates. And to give out these ones, I'm going to ask us to put our hands together for our board chair, Madame Jennifer Mwijuche, as she comes to give out this last category. The fashion show team, if you're ready, please, you'll be coming right after this. Head of department.
Congratulations again to these following individuals. They have completed their DAT assessments and their certificates are yet to be out. From different courses. Please, let's recognize them. Katongole Timothy. Katongole Timothy with a certificate in hairdressing. Mirembe Tronela. Mirembe Tronela. She's graduating with a certificate in beauty, specializing in nails. Nasona Christine. Nasona Christine. She's also graduating in beauty, specializing in makeup. Kavana Jennifer. Specializing in massage. Okolimong Charles, please come over. Okolimon Charles, Wagala Esther, Wagala Esther, Birungi Margaret, Birungi Margaret. Congratulations to you all upon your endeavors. It's not been a short journey.
Let you prepare for a group photo, maybe in the center.
By the power of the authority entrusted to me, I congratulate all those persons who have award of a modular certificate in hairdressing, beauty, and the nails of the Directorate of Industrial Training. Congratulations.
In themselves, but this is a very cooperative segment for you to train in and excel in. In fact, German as a country does a combination of hands-on skills as compulsory for every student in order to enhance industrialization. Most of the countries that have industrialized, they have done so through promotion of vocational and hands-on skills courses more than anything else.
From our guest of honor as well.
So our
and
making sure that our students
the partners who support to train
their businesses.
Just come and give us some short guided by the director. So DJ, let's give it up for Mumbeja Leila as she comes.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon to you all. Congratulations, dear everyone. Congratulations. Special day, and we thank you for this great achievement. But we congratulate the graduates. Thank you so very much for the physical support, emotional, financial, ideological. Let's give them a round of applause. Then to passing on the skills that are going to help reduce the unemployment rate in Uganda right now. We are talking about a set of people that are not employed, but you are putting out people out there that are job creators, that are doing skills that are market to employ other people. Thank you very much. Let's give them a round of applause. So to our graduates, as you stand on the threshold of the professional world, share some insights to help you navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. First and foremost, you need to embrace the skills and knowledge you have acquired during your time in vocational and business education. You possess specialized expertise that is in the workforce. I spoke to someone in fashion and design. I want to speak to these young ladies and gentlemen. I need money. I spoke to some people. Money was paid on. Before getting to this place, my nails had to look their best. And he was dropped there. The entire of looking good, being presentable, is something that is in line with what you've studied. Why wouldn't you congratulate yourselves? Because I spent all that money to give people who are in the room. And I am certain when you go out in the job world, it's going to be bigger and better. In 2019, when I graduated with my degree, one of my professors told me this story, and I think it will also apply to you if you want to make it in the business world, in the job world, in terms of elevation and success. A human resource manager of a certain company sent out two gentlemen to purchase watermelons from the market. So this is what happened. These were people who had studied together, they had worked together, they got an opportunity and they were employed.
Baagalira ddala okwerungiya tebasobola kudiba ne tubasomesa enviiri ne tubasomesa okweyonja bazita kweyonja ngalo ne tubasomesa massage ali medical nti naddala abantu abo bagenze nga balina stress mu bulamu bw'otatambuza stress eyo n'ogi tubasomesa okulabirira ensusu ne tubasomesa kati tusomesa n'okuba ebifaananyi n'okukuba video n'okupromotinga social media marketing emitimbagano egitali gya njawulo tusomesa skill eziddukanya
ekibuzo kirala kibadde kigenda wa naye mulabye waali ndowooza batuzzaako
kale kasooke mutereza kubanga ye mukama wange ate.
They can give us a discount of 600 or 200 shillings, paying 600 Ugandan shillings. If we to be give them commitment,
so we want with the symbolizes and giving the comments as ministry or from the Ministry of Education. Where are we standing in this whole era of vocational and training institutes? Where are we standing?
Thank you very much. Vocational training or skilling, you put it, because for I'm from Directorate of Industrial Training, so mainly industrial skilling, this is the way to go. Uganda has the youngest population in the world. You know those statistics. I think we are number 2 in the whole world. Our younger people skills which are competing in the business world.
They are not telling you to find the price
comparing this that is happening in the new curriculum. Where are we standing? Are these people looking forward to also competing on those levels? And what does this mean? Even how is it a matter to the new curriculum that we are developing?
If there is such,
okay, the new curriculum is competency based. In other words, it's hands on the machine. It prepares people for the world of work. So these ones, they are kind of training your best. They are exposed on the machine. They are in the beauty industry from day one up to day. So all this curriculum plus industrial curriculum plus everybody, they are aiming at improving skills of the younger people, of the Ugandans, for both self-employment but also for employment.
So, Dr. maybe nze ekyange kiri mu Luganda.
Blending the vocational with the business skills.
the workforce environment. Then, in addition to graduates, the university graduates we've seen who go out with papers and degrees and first classes, what does the vocation mean to the workforce?
This one means the workforce, the kind of training. They train you both in hard skills and soft skills. Even if you have a PhD, and you have all good certificates, but you lack a skill, then you will not be employed. But even if you are employed and you lack the soft skills, the integrity, the